How to turn on or off autofill payments on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the browser. Okay, go to browser. Here in browser settings, in autofill section, you can see here the autofill payments. And the autofill payments is off. Okay, to turn on this, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, you can also see available cards. So you can tap this, but I have no available cards to my payment info. So your payment info will be saved with MetaPay. So okay, to add credit card or debit card, okay, you'll have to do is tap the plus sign button here, and now you can create a new card. So you can add the card number, month and year of expiration, security code, zip code, country, and okay guys, after you create, tap the save button on the upper right side on your screen to save. But for now, I don't create a payment info. And okay, that's it. We have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off autofill payments on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, can you comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.